Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about overcome negative thoughts with these 5 tips. Negative thoughts can feel overwhelming, but they're easier to change than you think. Stoic philosophers like Seneca and Marcus Aurelius developed techniques long ago that still work today. Modern life often leaves us wanting more, a concept called hedonic adaptation, where we stop appreciating luxuries over time. With simple mental hacks, you can train your brain to focus on happiness and gratitude instead of chasing the next thing. Here are 5 mindfulness hacks to help you feel better instantly. 1. Negative visualization. Picture how much worse things could be. Imagine the things you could have lost or never had, like your health, job, or family. This simple exercise helps you appreciate what you have and lowers your expectations, making happiness easier to achieve. 2. Projective visualization. Setbacks happen, but don't dwell on them. Imagine them happening to someone else. This helps you distance yourself from the pain and see it more objectively, like you would if a friend was dealing with it. You can even think of it as a challenge, like in a video game. 3. Storytelling frame. Life's challenges make for the best stories. Instead of focusing on setbacks, write them down or record your thoughts. You'll start seeing your struggles as parts of your unique life story. 4. Savor happy moments. Relive your happiest memories by focusing on the sights, sounds, and feelings from those moments. You can even hold a smile while doing this, it tricks your brain into feeling happier. 5. Last time frame. Every task, no matter how mundane, could be the last time you do it. So, slow down and enjoy the moment, whether it's washing dishes or driving to work. These habits can shift your mindset and help you feel more content with what you have. Which mindset would you choose? Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.